Have you ever encountered your Sony ZV-E10 unable to share your photo or video on Wi-Fi? So it is because you modified the database of the Sony ZV-E10. Either accidentally or not, you moved the database or delete it. So, to fix this problem is, first, you're gonna wanna back up your files, store them on the safe storage, or store them permanently on your PC or laptop or Mac. And then, you're gonna click the menu button and go to the toolbox icon. And in the toolbox icon, you're gonna move forward about 4 times to find the format button. And you're gonna wanna format it so that the Sony ZV-E10 will build its database and will function properly. So you're gonna wait for it to finish. And then you can test it out. And there you have it. Now we can share again our photos or videos via Wi-Fi. I hope this helps you. This has been D from DLUG TV, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.